In this video, we're going to show you how to add a formula to a project. It's really easy. So first you have to have a project. So we clicked projects on the navigation here, and now we can click this button called new project. And for this, we're just going to call this demo client, but this project name could be anything that you like. Okay, we'll cover these other options in a moment, but they're not required. You can click save, and now you've got your new project created. It's really easy to bring your formula now into the project. What you're going to do is look for this button that says tasks from formula. When you click that, it brings up this box for you to find the formula that you want. So let's just go ahead and find a formula that we want. We can start typing and find the name. Once we have the formula, we can just hit select. And what it asks us is to assign skills. Here, it's just asking us who is going to do the specific skills that are needed. So within the formula, we've set different skills. This particular formula requires a link researcher and then somebody to review the link research after it's been done. Okay, so here, right now, just go ahead and you can assign this to yourself. But as you add employees or virtual assistants, you'll be able to select them in this box. Or if you don't have an employee or virtual assistant and you'd rather outsource it, then you can click the outsource button and it can then be outsourced later. Okay, we'll cover outsourcing more in depth in another video. So for right now, let's just assign this to yourself. Click next, and then the default option is to start your tasks right now. You can also select a later date, but let's start the tasks right now. So once we click that button, it's going to bring us back into the project at what we call the smartboard view. Now you'll actually be able to see the tasks here upcoming, and in another video we'll show you exactly how tasks can move along between the various columns, but just know that that formula has now been imported and the very first step to start is here, and any additional steps are in upcoming for the future. Okay, so that is the first way that you can create a project and import a formula into it. There's also one more way to create your formula in a project, and that is next to any formula, you can go ahead and click the button that says create project. So if you just want to create something really fast, you can come in next to any formula and just click that, and then what will happen is you'll be able to click import, and you'll see that the exact same steps are in place for you to do it. And you can click create project and it will be created. Okay, so that explains how to add your formulas to a project. And in another video, we will show you actually how to run your project and monitor what tasks are being done, how to move them forward.